guys, so I'm currently in the car. It's 5:30. I just got a text saying that someone has a Chris Brown ticket for me for night 2 at MetLife, and of course I'm not going to turn down a ticket. So I'm currently 2 hours away, and again, it's 5:30. I believe the show starts at 7, I think. So I literally stole my mom's car and I was like, I'm going to Chris Brown, I'll be back. It's starting to rain. I have not eaten anything. I haven't done my skincare for the day because I was in bed editing. But luckily for me, the skin always gives. So I got all my products in the car with me, and we're about to do a mini skincare routine and a mini makeup routine real quick. I'm only gonna throw on a little bit of skin tint. I threw on a calm casual outfit. I'm wearing my little like vintage Barbie bomber jacket, some little tiny pom pom shorts, and my pink Chanel sneakers. It's very like pink vibey today. So yeah, so let's get ready with me to see Chris Brown in 2 hours and drive there at the same time. Okay guys, it's 7:18. I'm about 30 minutes away. The show was supposed to start at 7 o'clock, but it's raining, lightning, thundering, so they postponed it a few minutes, which I'm thankful for. I should get there probably like 30 more minutes. I'm still on the turnpike, but again, it is rush hour. So I am in a little bit of traffic, but we're almost there. Literally, I am in Secaucus right now, so I am almost there, and I'm so excited. Like, typically, I'm not someone that likes to go, like, listen, I love an excursion, I love a surprise, I love a random vibe, but what I'm wearing is not what I would have worn had I gotten these tickets yesterday. Had I got a text this morning, I would have had more time to prepare. But it's okay. I'm not going there to find me anybody. I'm just going to vibe, have a good time. And my outfit is still cute. Even though it's a very last minute, not even an outfit, something I just grabbed, it's still cute. Y'all know I always eat. That's just me. But I'll be back when I get there. Let you guys know what time it is. Alright guys, it is 7:39 and I have made it finally. Now to get through to the parking, but we have arrived. 2 hours from PA to Jersey. Had to get dressed, get ready in the car, but we are here. 7:49 and I've arrived-ish. I'm trying to get into the parking area, but that's been a shit show for the last like 20 minutes. But I'm here. So 2 hours exactly, pretty much, for me to get here. And 2 hours in terms of me having to find out I got tickets, get dressed, get in the car, and do like a little bit of makeup in the car. But I'm here, and I'm ready to have a good time and vibe out. So I'll see you guys at the concert. There ain't no way I'ma let you down if you let me. I will show you how. Ain't no way I'm gonna let you down. You wanna want, you know I'ma go crazy, make you lazy. You know your feelings never get away. You know I'm trying to hide.
Make some